All right, guys, while we're here, Cress is giving us this commercial mower, the commercial 21-inch mower. I'm just going to try it in the backyard. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the rear side discharge. I think that would help a lot. But I'm going to try to mulch and see if I can knock some of this really thick stuff down. It's the base of like crabgrass and weeds, and they're like really thick. And we're just trying to get this thing manageable so that next time we come out here and mow, it'll be a lot easier. But let's see how it does. So just like I would expect, you know, this thing's, you know, I need a side discharge, but this stuff is thick, it's wet, we've been getting a lot of rain. Base of these weeds are just really long. So my main goal with this is to get it to kind of mulch up a lot of that tall stuff that we trimmed up and let it dry out by the next time we're here. And then I think these, you know, I think we'll be able to mow this one pretty easily, but it's definitely a mess. I didn't get here before Travis already knocked out the backyard, but like I said, this was probably a good 4 feet tall. All right, just finished up. Didn't get to make a ton of video, but made a little bit. Yard looks a lot better, but we did do a lot of spraying to kill off some of this stuff that's taking over the beds. It's really hard to make a yard that's that overgrown look good the first time. It usually takes 2 or 3 cuts, especially the backyard. It's all weeds. We ran over it a few times here in the back with the Cress mower, and the Cress mower did fine, but you know, there's not many mowers that's going to do well against wet, thick weeds that are 3 or 4 feet tall. But we knocked it down. A lot of this will dry out and kind of burn up in the heat. Travis is going to come back here and blow everything off. You can see there's a lot of trash we've put up on the patio there that we found in the lawn. But you know, not our typical situation. We sprayed all this and kind of pulled it out, so, or I mean cut it off so it'll die off. So we'll finish cleaning that up. But not the you know, the intended purpose for that Ego, the rotary scissors I have on the Ego as the attachment. But like I said, I don't have brush blades or anything like that, but it did do fine. It cut, you know, almost as good as a brush blade would through thick stuff.